Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wefunder Crowdfunding. Review my usage experience. Wefunder Crowdfunding Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing crowdfunding campaigns on Wefunder. It's aimed at potential investors looking to research and assess the viability of startups seeking funding. Key features likely include company profile analysis, financial data aggregation, and perhaps even risk assessment tools. Their website provides details on the specific features offered. Wefunder Crowdfunding Review My Usage Experience positions itself as a tool to streamline the due diligence process for investors. It emphasizes ease of access to key information and potentially offers a more structured approach compared to manually researching each campaign. The website claims a straightforward interface and transparency in its pricing structure. I didn't encounter any hidden fees. The platform's approach relies on aggregating publicly available data from Wefunder, enhancing its accessibility. Availability is limited to those seeking to analyze campaigns hosted on the Wefunder platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wefunder Crowdfunding. Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. Creating an account and linking my Wefunder profile took less than 5 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to filter campaigns based on industry, funding stage, or investment amount. I particularly appreciated the detailed financial summaries provided for each company. It saved me hours of manually combing through documents. The performance was excellent, data loaded quickly, and I experienced no glitches or downtime during my usage. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific financial metric, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare multiple companies side by side. One minor drawback was the lack of sentiment analysis or news aggregation. I had to supplement the platform's data with external research. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wefunder Crowdfunding Review My Usage Experience. It significantly improved my research workflow, allowing me to focus on evaluating investment opportunities rather than data gathering. That's my overview of Wefunder Crowdfunding Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.